Page-turner adventures, language hearts, wonder bundles are digital storytelling kits where kids can explore one story many ways. Through an ebook, read-along video, sloth was big, moth was small, sloth was slow, moth was fast. Their differences made no difference to them. Audiobook, puppet or reader's theater kit, writing guide, a craft, and a no-bake recipe. So kids could read, watch, listen, tell, write, craft, and taste the adventure using all of their story senses. The stories encourage emotional intelligence by introducing themes of kindness, friendship, empathy, and cooperation, boosting kids' emotion quotient while building reading and writing muscles. Wonder Bundles also ignite imagination and spark creativity, which Forbes magazine calls the skill of the future, so kids can become the hero of their own incredible story. Language Hearts Wonder Bundles, where literacy meets creativity, emotional intelligence, and play.